I'm here at Rite Aid looking for cough drops. They have quite a large selection. I'm partial to Ricola, and they have mixed berry, cherry honey, natural soothing relief, revitalizing herb drops with B vitamins. That sounds good. And it's a lemon zest. They also have Luden's. Luden's Wild Cherry is always good. They have Halls. Halls sugar-free. That's not good because the artificial sugars are very bad for you. Luden's licorice flavor. They have Halls. All kinds of flavors in Halls. This one looks interesting. Intense Cool. That sounds soothing. Here's one from Ricola. It's got a dual action. But I'm not sure what dual action. Oh, suppresses cough, and it's an oral anesthetic drop. That sounds good. So I chose the dual action because it sounded good. And the Ricola revitalizing herb has B vitamins in it with lemon. And this Intense Cool, I just like the looks of it.